This is DJI Flip FLY MORE, and today I will quickly show how you can enable, disable or adjust the flight distance limit on this drone. So at the very start, you will obviously need to launch the camera view on your remote controller or on whatever, medium you are piloting this little bird from. Here, launch settings by tapping at those three dots and select the safety category. Now carefully scroll the safety page down and look for the flight protection preferences and max distance to be precise. Now if you would like to remove flight distance restrictions so you can fly this drone for as far away from yourself as the connectivity will allow, just set this adjustment bar to no limit. That means that the flight distance restrictions are switched off. In order to enable it, just set any value using this adjustment bar. And as you can see, you can change this value in the ballpark of 20 meters all the way up to 8,000, so 8 kilometers. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye-bye.